In this workflow, we will show you how to import stack and velocity function. From survey, import and velocity function ASCII. First thing is to select the location of the velocity function from raw data. Then we open. Then we examine the file. So we can see it contains XY, time, VRMS, and interval velocity, average velocity, and depths. So in our case, we will load the RMS velocity. So we select that from velocity type. Notice that there are two lines for the headers. So we can set in the file header fixed size, and we set it to 2 lines. And we go to define to specify the format. So the first column contains X, the second column Y, and the third is the time, and the fourth column is the RMS velocity that we can eventually change here. And we can save this format for further loading, otherwise we just OK. We can close this window and specify the name, output name for the function velocity. So we'll call it VRMS function. And we just import. So the import was successfully done, so we can just close this window. This concludes the stack and velocity function import workflow.